What's up everybody, welcome to another honest review video. Today I have two different earbuds from the same brand. These are from SoundPeats. This one is SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro and this one is SoundPeats Air3 Deluxe HS. Well, I've been using these two earbuds for a few days now, and actually a lot of my subscribers have requested me that I should review these products. I should check whether these products offers any value for money or not. Actually, at the beginning, I was a bit skeptical, but after using these products for a few days, I am amazed. I'm truly surprised by the performance of these two earbuds. Well, these two earbuds actually belongs to two different price segments. This Air3 Deluxe HS, this one is a bit cheaper than this Capsule3 Pro. But depending on our needs and different type of requirements, both of these two are one of the best in its own segment. Well, let's talk about this Capsule3 Pro first, and then we will talk about this Air3 Deluxe HS. But even if these two belongs to two different segments, there are a few things which are actually similar. And yeah, the first thing is both of these are high-res audio wireless certified. Both comes with LDAC codec. Yeah, LDAC codec is one of the best codec available for Android users. There is another similarity between these two products, and that is both of these two earbuds comes with very good build quality. Well, without wasting any more time, let's check this SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro. I'm actually not gonna do a step-by-step unboxing. Inside the box, definitely you will get the Capsule3 Pro inside its charging case. There are some paperworks. One is a user manual and another is SoundPeats application instruction. There is a USB-A to USB-C charging cable and two extra set of silicone tips. Let's talk about the silicone ear tips. If a set of earbuds comes with silicone ear tips, then the silicone ear tips are the second most important thing of that set of earbuds. Because these ear tips actually goes inside our ear canal, and if the build quality of these ear tips are not as good as it should be, then it will generate more fatigue, we may feel irritation, and yeah, the listening experience using the set of earbuds will be a bit different than it should be. I'm really very happy to see that SoundPeats has actually done some research, and yeah, they have used premium materials to manufacture these ear tips. I have tried to use this one for hours after hours. I have listened to music, played games with these earbuds inside my ear. This one actually generates less fatigue, and yeah, I have felt very comfortable even after using the earbuds, wearing the earbuds for more than 3 hours. So yeah, for these great quality ear tips, kudos to SoundPeats. Well, here comes the charging case of SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro. In hand, this one feels so very light, and this has this smooth matte finish which in hand makes it feel so very premium. At the back panel, on top of the hinge, it's written clearly SoundPeats, and I really like this design. Talking about the hinge, yeah, this one comes with a very strong hinge. Look at this, even after I have tried to shake this one heavily, the hinge didn't get closed. Not only the hinge, the charging case also has a very sturdy build quality. There is a grey colored ring, and inside the charging case they have also added grey colored tone, so this one looks pretty nice. What I like more about this charging case and the set of earbuds is both the earbuds inside this charging case weighs only 49.4 grams. The charging case itself weighs 39.6 grams and each of the earbuds weighs 4.8 grams. Wow, that's really lighter than standard. This charging case can charge both of these earbuds 5.5 times, and altogether these earbuds offers 52 hours of playback time. Wow, that's a very long time. Once these earbuds are fully charged, these will go for 8 hours, and we will be able to get 44 hours more from this charging case, as this one can recharge these earbuds 5.5 times. Okay, that's when we are gonna use SBC without active noise cancellation. But with active noise cancellation along with SBC codec, it will go down a bit, and when we are gonna use LDAC with active noise cancellation, the battery life of these earbuds will get a hit by 30%. Yeah, I have managed to get around 30 hours of battery life using the charging case together while I have used LDAC and active noise cancellation. Personally, I really like these earbuds. These are not only very light, these also comes with very good build quality. They have added some color tint, and the design language of these earbuds is really pretty different, pretty unique. Each of the earbuds comes with 3 microphones, one in the middle, one at the bottom, and one on the top part. So in total there are 6 microphones, and each of these earbuds actually comes with a 12mm bio-coated dynamic driver. Actually, these earbuds comes with hybrid active noise cancellation, which has performed very good in different scenarios. And as each of the earbuds are equipped with 3 microphones, I have had very good in-call quality. Well, here comes the microphone testing. This sound was recorded with SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro. Now you can decide how good is the sound quality. Now I'm back to my pretty expensive Rode Studio microphone. And one more time, here comes the sound quality of SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro. Before I talk about the sound quality, there is another thing I want to mention that I have liked about these earbuds. It's very easy to take out the earbuds from the charging case, and it's even easier to put back the earbuds inside its charging case. And once the earbuds are inside the charging case, whatever you do, it's not gonna get dropped. I have already talked about the sturdy hinge. Now let me talk about another thing. Sometimes it's really very difficult to open and close the charging case cover of many other earbuds, but with this SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro, it's very easy. It's really very easy to connect SoundPeats earbuds with any smartphone. As this SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro comes with LDAC codec, I would recommend that you use this one with an Android smartphone. At the bottom there is a pairing button. What you have to do is to click on it, and in front there is a LED light. The light will start blinking, and then you search for new Bluetooth devices on your smartphone. You will notice that there is a SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro. Click on it and then click on pair. Wow, it's already connected. So if you want to take advantage of LDAC codec, then you have to use a smartphone which supports LDAC codec. On my smartphone, I can even select LDAC playback quality. There are 2 options. One is optimized for audio quality and another is balanced audio and connection quality. I've been using this one with optimized audio quality, and yeah, definitely soon we are gonna talk about sound quality, but before that, let me show you the application. After you download the application, you have to register and log into the application. Inside the application, you can check the battery status of the earbuds, but unfortunately, we cannot check the battery status of the charging case. There are 3 tabs. On the left, that's equalizer tab. We can control volume, we can use adaptive equalizer, we can even customize our own equalizer. This is a 9-band equalizer, so yeah, we can precisely customize the equalizer. Underneath the equalizer option, there is an option for noise cancellation. We can select ANC mode, normal mode, or transparency mode. Let me be very clear. The ANC mode of the SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro is one of the best in its segment. The transparency mode also works fine. Underneath the noise reduction, we can enable game mode. In game mode, yeah, this one actually reduces latency and provides much better in-game experience. As these earbuds comes with capacitive touch buttons, if we want, we can disable the capacitive touch buttons from the application. And yeah, that's all about the application. Now, let's talk about sound quality. I have been listening to music, playing games, watching movies, enjoying HD streaming on different OTT platforms, and yeah, this one has provided me very good sound quality. Especially the mids are super crisp and clear, vocals are very warm and rich, highs are also very good. But what have made me so surprised is, as I have more than 50 different earbuds, and these 2 earbuds from SoundPeats almost beaten half of my earbuds collection when it comes to bass and separation between low, mids and highs. These earbuds can not only reproduce very good sound quality, separation between low, mids and highs are really great. Okay, these earbuds comes with IPX4 rating, and that means sweat or splash of water isn't gonna damage these earbuds. But if you're gonna run wearing these earbuds in your ear, will they drop? No. If you use the correct sized ear tips, once they're inside your ear canal, they're gonna sit there and you won't even feel that there is something inside your ear. So that's all about this SoundPeats Capsule3 Pro. But well, there are people who don't like in-ear design, they like open ear design. When I'm in my office, when I'm working, I use open ear design, and then when I'm listening to some music or when I'm in a very noisy environment, I like in-ear design. Well, if you're like me, if you like both, or if you are the one who prefers open ear design, then SoundPeats also has got you covered. Here comes SoundPeats Air3 Deluxe HS. This one costs less than SoundPeats Capsule 3 Pro, but there are a few interesting and unique features of the SoundPeats Air3 Deluxe HS. Inside the box, as usual, you will get SoundPeats application introduction, the SoundPeats Air3 Deluxe HS, as I have been using this one, so yeah, I have already unwrapped it. Underneath the earbuds charging case, there is a very nice Air3 Deluxe HS user manual. There are a lot of illustrations. You will also get a USB-A to USB-C charging cable. Yeah, as this one is a set of open-ear design earbuds, there isn't no silicone ear tips. You know what? This Air3 Deluxe HS is trust me, is one of the lightest set of earbuds that I have ever used. I mean, the total carry is only 36.1 grams. Each of the earbuds weighs only 4.1 grams. That means the charging case itself weighs around 28 grams. That's truly so very light. There is a grey colored ring and the LED status light is in front. The pairing button is now in front. This one also got a very nice sturdy build quality, a very good hinge which stays open when it's open. Even a very heavy shake won't make it move a bit. At the back, they have also printed SoundPeats, but the size of the charging case is relatively smaller than SoundPeats Capsule 3 Pro. Well, it's also very easy to take out the earbuds from the charging case and also very easy to put it back. Hassle-free design. Okay, not only the charging case, the earbuds also has a bit of a similar design language, but as these are open ear design, there are no silicone ear tips and each of the earbuds comes with 2 microphones. Also, each of the earbuds has a capacitive touch button, and on the capacitive touch button, SoundPeats has printed the logo of SoundPeats. A cute, nice touch. In hand, this really feels very good, very light and pretty sturdy. The pairing process is the same. Just open your Bluetooth menu, select SoundPeats Air3 Deluxe HS, click on pair, and it will get paired within a second. I'm not gonna go through the application one more time because it's almost the same. This one doesn't come with active noise cancellation, so inside the application you won't get active noise cancellation option. But other than that, all the features inside the application for the SoundPeats Air3 Deluxe HS is almost the same as SoundPeats Capsule 3 Pro. Well, there are 3 points I need to talk about. The first thing is this one offers relatively shorter battery life, 20 hours of battery life when both the earbuds and the charging case is fully charged. But one more time, that's for SBC. When you connect it through LDAC codec, the battery life will be reduced by 15 to 25%, which is acceptable considering that when we use LDAC, a very high bitrate is streamed to the earbuds, so the earbuds actually needs to use more battery. Well, the second thing is the sound quality of these earbuds are relatively better than many other open ear design earbuds. I'm not talking about the same price segment. Even if you go for $80 US or $90 US open ear design earbuds, you won't get as good sound quality as what Air3 Deluxe HS offers. Both of these earbuds are equipped with 2 microphones and a 14.2mm bio-coated dynamic driver. They needed to increase the size of the dynamic driver because these are open ear design. These doesn't get a very good seal, so to deliver very good quality mids and lows, they needed to have this type of driver, and the driver actually performs very good in different type of real life scenarios. Here comes the third point. Open ear design means this doesn't even generate any fatigue. It's not like less fatigue. This will never make you feel irritating. There won't be any fatigue in your ear canal, so you'll be able to wear these and listening to music or whatever you're gonna listen to for hours after hours. And this is actually better for our ear health. Okay, let me be very clear. With LDAC or without LDAC, these will offer you very good sound quality, and with LDAC, you may not feel a very big difference. Yeah, with LDAC it gets a bit better, but sometimes for general users it may not make a very big difference. But one more time, with or without LDAC, these SoundPeats Air3 Deluxe HS will provide you one of the best mids and highs in its segment. About the low frequency, I mean the bass. It's not one of the best. I think it's the best. Period. That's all about the SoundPeats Air3 Deluxe HS and SoundPeats Capsule 3 Pro. I have been using these two as my daily earbuds for past couple of weeks and I'm super satisfied. Not only me, my girlfriend also likes these. So yeah, we have already ordered a second set of Air3 Deluxe HS and Capsule 3 Pro. As we both love these, that means these performs and definitely offers very good value for money. Well, if you have liked this video, then please don't forget to click on the like button. If you have loved this video, then please subscribe to this channel. Also, don't forget to check the links in the description box below. I have left the links of both of these two products, but as I always say, those are not any affiliated links. If you wanna buy these products, buy from anywhere. I love these two earbuds, and now these are my daily drives.